Here you will see executing JavaScript with Visual Studio and Node.js. Visual Studio Code is a popular code editor for web development, which offers a robust set of features that enhance productivity. Prerequisites for executing JavaScript with Visual Studio and Node.js are Node.js, Visual Studio Code and JavaScript. First we'll see installation of Visual Studio Code. Download the Visual Studio Code installer for the Windows from the website code.visualstudio.com. Once the file is downloaded, execute the download file. Accept the terms and conditions and click on the install button. Follow the on-screen instructions in order to install the Visual Studio Code. Wait for the installation to complete and click on the launch button to start it. Then we'll see installation of Node.js. In order to run Node.js executables in Visual Studio Code, we can use the integrated terminal in VS Code. But for that we need to install Node.js on our system. For this, go to the Node.js website. It will automatically detect your operating system and will direct you to Node.js installer for your operating system. Download the Node.js installer and then run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions in order to install Node.js. Once the installation is completed, you can verify that Node.js is installed by opening a command prompt or a terminal and type the command node-v. It will display which version is installed for the Node.js. To run the Node.js file in Visual Studio Code, open the folder in VS Code which has the Node.js files that are to be run. Then in order to run the file, open the integrated command line interface in VS Code by navigating to the terminal in the menu bar at the top and then by opening a new terminal. The same thing can also be achieved by the following shortcut, and then just write the following command node filename to execute your JavaScript file.